Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Lovely Life and welcome to my channel. Today I am joining Sunday Dawn, the Helpful Home, in her Tiny Tidy Tuesday series. Together we are tidying up a tiny space, and today in this video I'm gonna tidy up my vanity area.
Last week was quite the whirlwind, and I've just tossed random things on my vanity counter here. Items that don't belong here and that need to be relocated. I mean, I have my little mini LED light for my nails, and I have this Target reusable recyclable bag. Love that. And this, I don't even know what this is. Tatcha something. It came free with my order that I placed online, but I love Tatcha though. Great skincare products. An umbrella, like, really, Dee? What's that doing in my bedroom? I have no clue. And I have, like, I don't know. Check it out. I don't really know what I had in there. And that goes to my jewelry box, and we'll get back to my jewelry, like this stuff right here. I had decluttered the drawer below, which kept these jewelry pieces that I wanted to find a place to sell them, right? But it was in the height of 2021, and it's been sitting here ever since. I really need to go through my jewelry again, just like our host of this series, Tiny Tidy Tuesdays, Sunday Dawn, on her channel. She has her jewelry all organized, and well, I don't yet. Hey, that's where my headband went. And Kitty's toy. I don't know, again, why they're here. And you're going to see a lot of these elastic rubber bands everywhere. I know what it's in here, but I wanted to save it from my vlog, but it definitely doesn't need to go here. These are my prescription glasses that I do wear, so I like to have that always out, so at nighttime I know where it's at. This one here, I busted out with this one because I couldn't find this one. Hilarious. Yes, Dee, you're just lazy on that one. But this can actually go in my drawer. This is for my reader glasses. I need to take that back downstairs. I'm actually wearing them right now, but I'll just put them with that because that's where that goes. These are some stamps I need to place into my office, as well as a casino card. I had this one out here because I wanted to use it, but it's not doing any good with it being in the box. Cute. Disney. These need to go in my nightstand so that I can use these up. And this can also be tossed in the recycle bin. I actually went through this, so this can actually be in the garbage. This still has a little bit more of the hand sanitizer. I just need to place this one into my purse. So this one in the garbage, and then this one in my purse. So I'm gonna keep this here, but I'm gonna move it just for now so I can wipe down the counter. I recently bought these at Walmart to put them in my sock drawer. I haven't got around to it, but I guess today is the day. Another one. This one's almost empty, so I'm going to throw that one away as well. It's just lotion. This doesn't belong here. Obviously, I just threw this here, probably because I had it in one of my back pockets. So that's going to go in the laundry. I used to have hot flashes. I used to put my makeup on, so it's nice to have one of these handy. But it doesn't have to be on the counter. It could be in my drawer. And this is Jay's. I'm going to give that to him on his dresser. Right over here. And a pen. This goes back into my jewelry box. Nightlight stays there for right now. You guys seen my declutter my closet. You know where this one goes. I absolutely love this thing. It's so pretty. I don't know, I just like looking at it. I haven't filled it up with anything. I'm not too sure, but I really like it. Leave me any ideas that you would think it would be good for to fill up. Found this at a thrift store, and I just think it's just beautiful. I don't know. So let me know, but it definitely needs to be wiped again. Everything on my counter needs to be wiped again. This is just some random traveling stuff that needs to go with my traveling toiletry bags. Hey, check this out. That's too funny.
Hey, do you have an area in your home that is your favorite place to tidy? It's okay. You can let us know in the comments. This is your safe place to admit you like cleaning videos, and that you absolutely love shopping the cleaning aisle at the store. I actually used to love making my dining room furniture shine, but that's all in our garage, and it's a long story. But now I'm finding myself liking a bit of me time in this space of mine. All mine. Perhaps that's why. I'm not sure, but we'll go with that. I'm not really sure what's going on here, but one of my hair products had leaked. End of story. I had to bust out with an old facial razor to scrape it off. Hey, do you like the soft music I'm playing? I'm trying to capture the calmness that I feel when I really take my time for my own things. For those of you who don't know, I'm a full-time family caregiver to my mom, aka Queen G, and a homemaker. So I take like the littlest calming moments like this one, and I enjoy it as best as I can with either listening to music, an audiobook, a YouTube video, or the TV show Queen G is watching that I can eardrop on from the baby monitor close by. I've saved plenty of wiping perfume bottles down since I threw out so many from my last declutter in this area. I now only have a couple of my favorites. And this here is a vintage perfume bottle I found in one of my thrift store hauls. I think it's so pretty. I love making my space dainty and pretty. And yes, I did use the word dainty.
I told you it was a tiny tidy. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please click on the playlist that I'm going to link in the description box. There are plenty tiny tidies for more motivation like this one. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss out on the next one. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.